Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the TechStream. In this video, I am going to talk about some less known tips and tricks of WhatsApp. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Talking about the first feature, that is when you chat with someone more often or you just want to know that with whom I did the chat the most or transfer the files that you have just needed. You just go to settings, tap on 3 dots storage and data and manage storage. Here you can see the top of your chats and transferred files. Next and most recently launched feature of WhatsApp is related to privacy part. You can now disable your activity status whether you are online or not. Just simply go to settings, then privacy, last seen and online, and here you can select the option same as last seen. Next is again related to privacy part and recently launched. We all use this feature, that is disappearing messages. Under this feature you can now block the screenshot so that the person you are talking with is no more allowed to take screenshot of your disappearing messages. Pretty cool feature, right? Talking about the next and my favorite feature is that now you can send up to 2 GB of file size to anyone. Initially the limit was 100 MB, but now it has been extended up to 2 GB. Coming up with the next trick, when you are sending images from Google, then till now you had to download image from Google and send it. Now you can simply copy the image from Google and paste it inside your chat and send it. No need to download it anymore. Next is related to deleted messages. When someone send you the message and delete it, you can see the message by enabling notification history in your smartphone settings. Just go to settings and search for notification history and enable it. So from now onwards, if anyone deletes that message, it will be deleted from WhatsApp, but it will be visible under notification history. So that's all for this video. Comment down which trick you like the most. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.